Just spare 2 minutes of you for taking an interview.
Yes, sure.
Okay, fine. May I know which department are you from?
I'm from MBA department.
And your name, please?
My name is San Bhattacharya.
Okay. So we are here for a survey on a fusion dress like that we are going to launch. That is, we have taken a product that nowadays students actually don't wear that fusion wear or don't get the opportunity to wear that ethnic wears. So we have done one thing. We have combined both the things in a single dress. Like it is Western also and it's ethnic also. So are you interested in buying that such kind of a products?
So, is it traditional?
It's kind of, but you can wear it in traditional also. You can wear it in regular also. Like it's having both combined thing in a single piece that will be like much more attracting also, and that will help you in wearing in a traditional days or any occasion also.
That's a good idea.
So, may I know you what's your age group?
My age is 22.
Okay. So, how likely do you purchase clothes from this campus?
From this Unimall?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is occasionally.
Occasionally, on a scale of 1 to 5, how much you read?
It's 3.5 or 4.
Okay. So, are you satisfied with the quality that is provided by here?
Yeah,
You satisfied?
with that quality.
What are the things that you basically take care of while buying a new product? Like, is it the fabric quality or the designs, trend line, or the price?
Obviously, while buying a product, I am first looking at the quality of the product, and after that, the price.
Okay.
Next is the design.
Okay, fine. Like, how much are you willing to pay for the product that is both like the fusion wear that we are doing? So, what will the expected price that are you willing to pay? Like around 500 or around 1000 or 1500?
It's between 500 to 1000.
Like, what are the designs that you are willing in your like we have different types of works, that is traditional embroidery work, contemporary prints, handmade details. So which all things that you are willing to?
It's my preference handmade details.
Okay, fine, thank you. Like, are you willing to add on something with that thing, like kind of a handkerchiefs or any kind of trousers along with that?
Whatever idea you are told, the idea is good. If the dress is means we can if we can use the dress in both situation in traditional or regular basis, then it is good. And if the quality is good, then it is okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello,
So, may I know which department are you from?
I'm from MB department,
And your name, please?
Divya Patidar.
Okay, so I am here for a few surveys of the new product that we are launching. So, can I just spare 2 minutes for our survey?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you. So our dress is like a fusion wear. It's kind of a mixture of both fusion and Western wears. Like in today's life, like we are not that much involved in wearing traditional and wears together in every time. So that's the thing. We are just planning to make both the products in a single dress, and that can be worn by like you people. So for that, we just want to know that how oftenly do you buy product from this place?
I prefer not to buy these products from this university
Like, why do you feel like not buying anything from here?
because it is too expensive and quality is not good as much.
Okay. While buying a product, what thing basically you think prefer? Like a price, the quality, the material. Which thing is your highlight?
I prefer first the price and second is the brand.
Okay. What is the price range that you are willing to pay for a particular dress that is like Indo-Fusion both? I'm just giving you options of under 5,000 or within 15,000 or within 2,000.
Under 2000 or under 5000 both.
Okay, so what all designs do you prefer in that dress code? We have designs of traditional embroidery, handmade details and minimalistic designs. So which design do you prefer?
Embroidery.
Would you like to customize the product that you are going, or you can just product whatever that we are offering?
I would like to customize my own designs that I will create.
Are you designing or something?
No, not now.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
So may I know your occupation? Are you student, faculty?
Yeah, I'm student.
Like I am here for asking a few questions regarding our product. So are you having 5 minutes, like just to spend?
Sure.
Okay, fine. So like we are equipped with a dressing sense, is ethnic and fusion both in together. So are you interested in buying ethnic wears?
Yes.
Like may I know your age, please?
I'm 24.
Like how likely do you buy clothes from this university campus?
No, I don't like to buy these clothes from the campus. I like to buy the clothes from the online, or I have to go to the other places to view to saw the wears, matlab what I wear, what the clothes are. That's it.
Okay. Like so while buying a new clothes, so which thing you actually prefer, like price or quality or trend line design? What is the main thing that you focus on?
I actually more prefer is color, and quality is also matter. Price range sometimes matter, sometimes don't matter.
Okay. Like around like at what budget you are willing to buy a new shirt that is like western also, and it's kind of a fusion both.
1,000 to.
Okay, let me give you the price. Like under 500, like 500 to 1,000, 1,000 to 2,000. So what's your choice?
500 to 1,000.
Okay, fine. Like, and are you interested in promotional offers or discounts by Ethnic Fusions if we provide?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Like, what all designs do you prefer? Like, it's traditional embroidery or contemporary prints, handmade designs? Or like, what are your preferences on this?
Traditional.
Traditional. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Like, may I know which department are you from?
I'm from MBA.
Like, can you spare 2 minutes for giving an interview with me?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so like we are here for a survey of the ethnic fusion clothing that we are going have taken for a product, and we are just taking survey on the customers' review, like as what are their preferences on that. So may I know what's your age group?
22.
Are you interested in buying ethnic wear or fusion wear for regular use and daily use also?
Yeah, obviously.
Have you bought any dress from this campus recently?
About 2 months ago.
2 months ago. Like, how would you rate that quality or the thing experience? How will you share? Will you like to share your experience about it?
I will rate it a 10 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
It's worth it.
It's
Okay.
not worth it, but okay.
Okay, fine. Like, what are the things that you actually prefer while buying a product? Like the price, the quality of the thing, the design, the trend line, or you want to be personalized things?
I prefer quality. Matlab, it's worth in that price range.
Okay, madam, quality is also the main thing, and depending upon that, you are willing to pay the price. Okay, fine. So, what are the price range that you are willing to pay? Like under 500 or like
For what? For
for a t-shirt, you can say.
T-shirt, it's around 1,000, or if we go for cargo and or it's around
Like for a western wear, what you would like?
2,500 to 300.
Okay, fine. So, what are the?
Not 3,000. Sorry, 2,500 to 3,000.
I understood. 2,500 to 3,000. I understood. What are the designs that you preferred? Like we are having traditional embroideries, we are having contemporary prints, we are having handmade details, and minimalistic designs. So which designs would you like to prefer? Traditional. Like in this traditional embroidery, it will be okay for you.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Like, what are the things that you would like to buy? Like, there are traditional kurtas and modern cuts. There are fusion tops, repairs, jeans and trousers. Kurtas. And no Indo-Western dresses.
Yeah, Western dresses also.
There are different varieties of dresses. Like, you can just have.
It depends on mood, na. What I have to wear. It's according to cultures. If I prefer to wear tradition, so I buy kurtas. If my mood is to wear Western dresses, so I buy Western clothes.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. I'm here for a survey of my product that we are going to launch. Like, we are just here for a survey. So, like, can I just take your 2 minutes for a survey? So, like, what's your age group basically?
I'm 25.
So, how likely you buy products from this college campus? if you require?
Yeah, I buy like food only. Food only I buy and then.
You don't buy clothes from here.
Not clothes. I bought this one from here and rest. Yeah, the shoes from here.
How
Not
likely will you rate the product that is available over here?
It's fine. Out of 5, I'd rate it like 3 or 3.5.
So like, what all things you prefer while buying a product? Like the price comes first, the design or the quality? Which all thing you look first?
First, I look at the quality, then the price. Basically, the price and the quality should, complement each other. So, if the price is high, then the quality should also be high as per that.
Like what is the price category you are looking for? Like under 500, 500 to 1000 for a product like which is Indo-fusion, like it's having the ethnic wear also and a kind of a western wear also. So both things.
From 500 to 1000 is
What all designs do you prefer? Like it's traditional embroidery, contemporary prints, handmade. So which thing you want?
I prefer embroidery better than prints.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.